Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Odia Photographer. Today I am going to explore a great place in Bhubaneswar, that is Khandagiri and Udayagiri Caves. So it is around 3 kilometers from bus stand, that is Barmunda bus stand, and maybe around 8 to 10 kilometers from railway station. So let me explore and see what's beautiful out there. I have came to this place one or two times before, but this is the first time that I'm making a video. So let's watch out, keep on watching till the end, and I think it will be a great experience. Thank you very much, keep on watching. Khandagiri Caves are located at 3 kilometers from Barmunda bus stand. You can easily get auto, taxi, bus from Barmunda bus stand or Master Canteen. So reaching to this place won't be any issue. So Udayagiri and Khandagiri Caves, formerly called as Katak Caves, they are partly natural and partly artificial caves of archaeological, historical and religious importance. The caves are situated on two adjacent hills. The first one that we are looking now is Udayagiri Caves. Udayagiri Caves are situated at the right side of the road. So this is Udayagiri Caves and you can see this is the first Bhatto Ghora Gumpha. Gumpha means cave in English. So you can see the surrounding is quite beautiful with natural beauty. There are flowers, there are trees, there are plants. You can easily spend around 1 or 2 hours in this beautiful place of Udayagiri Caves. These caves are finely and ornately carved caves built during the 1st century BC. It is believed that most of these caves are carved out as residential blocks for Jain monks during the reign of King Kharvela. Udayagiri also means Sunrise Hill and it has around 18 caves, while Khandagiri has 15 caves. This is the view that you can see from the top of Udayagiri Hills. And the front which you are seeing is Khandagiri, which we are going to explore very soon. You can see the whole Bhubaneswar town from the top of Udayagiri Hills. This is Hathi Gumpha. You can see elephant statues near it. Such a lovely place to visit in and around Bhubaneswar. The caves are beautifully carved out. Some are natural while some are artificial. So this is the perfect place to take some rest, and after taking a bit of rest, as you can see, it's quite hot right now and I'm sweating it out. So I will take some rest here, 5 to 10 minutes. This is the best place. You can see I'm sitting here inside one of the cave. I'm sitting inside one of the cave, and after a few 5 or 10 minutes rest, I will explore the other half, which is located at a certain height. You can see my behind. You can see I'm not sure whether you can. Yeah, you can see here right now. Yeah, so I will explore that part after a 5-minute rest. So let's see how it works out, and keep watching till the end. There are many things to explore right now. The entry fees for Khandagiri Caves and Udayagiri Caves is ₹25 only, which you can easily get in the entrance gate. This is the whole picture view of Udayagiri Caves. You can take this route or this to explore around Udayagiri Hill, and next we will go towards Khandagiri Caves. This is way to Khandagiri Caves, and there is a beautiful temple above the Khandagiri Hill. You can see a lot of people are going to visit the temple. That temple is a Jain temple which we will explore a little later. So while we went there, we found that the temple was closed as due to some reason. I don't know what is the reason, but it was closed. So we will explore the temple someday other, and now we will go to the top and see the Udayagiri Hills from Khandagiri Hills. What we are seeing now is Udayagiri Caves from Khandagiri Caves point of view. The scenic beauty is something which will leave a place inside your heart forever. So this is one of the must visit place if you are in and around Bhubaneswar. And that would mark the end of my trip. So it was a nice day. I won't say it was a great day, but it was a nice day. It took me around 1 or 2 hours to complete the whole journey. First I explored Udayagiri, then I explored Khandagiri, and it took me around 2 hours, and it was overall a good experience, not a great one. I don't know why there is so much hype about Khandagiri and Udayagiri. I don't think there is a lot to explore here. It is a good place, but not an excellent place. And maybe because of its historical importance, Khandagiri and Udayagiri is mentioned in lot of Wikipedia page and Google page and others. So you can come here and spend some lonely time with your loved ones, because I saw many couples exploring the place. It is good for couples who are living in and around Bhubaneswar, or if you are coming to Bhubaneswar, you can come here to spend some lovely moments together. And I think Khandagiri and Udayagiri are a bit overrated, not highly overrated, but a bit overrated. If you are coming for the first time, then you can definitely explore this place. But since I have visited this place a couple of times before, so I didn't find anything interesting here. But overall, I would say it was a good experience. And okay, so next we will cover some more areas of Bhubaneswar, and I promise you all that I will bring a video every week. So this was my first video in this series of exploring Bhubaneswar, and in the next video let's see what we can explore. Till then, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.